Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So basically, the whole process is automatic, so you do not have to do anything manually. Just enter the security and agree to all the terms and so on. So just give all the permissions. And as you can see here, we've got the menu and the security scan is here. So let's simply tap on it. Of course, again, you will have to give all the permissions if you will turn on this option for the very first time. And as you can see, your device will scan itself. So it will scan all apps, all processes which are currently on this device in order to find any viruses, malware, or any kind of problems. And if everything will be okay, then you will receive this info. But if your device will find any problems, any issues, then it will list it right here and you will be able to get rid of them manually. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.